Y'all gotta bite. I got one. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel.
What up?
We got Samek tagging along again.
What up, guys?
So we decided to come back to the previous pond that we've been fishing at. There's been a lot of good catches that we've been getting. So
yeah, we've been here for 3 weeks in a row already.
about 30 weeks.
Yeah, the fishing been, well, for us has been really good. Catching, you know, good
So we
monsters.
haven't decided to go to the other pond, even though we should be going. But
I mean, show them what we're fishing.
okay, let me
Look,
show you real quick.
show 'em what we're fishing.
You see all the fish been chilling around here.
Stacked.
They're stacked right there. But
Ready to be caught.
so
Drop shots. Yeah.
but yeah, you guys, if you guys liked the video, make sure you guys click that
Subscribe.
Drop some comments.
Like button down below.
make sure you guys click that notification bell and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for plenty of more content to come.
Yeah.
Peace.
Yeah. Can't tell me there isn't a fish here. Got one. Yeah, I was recording. Oh, I side hooked. He swiped at it. He swiped at it, so I snagged him.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah.
Snagged him.
Yeah, I gotta put him back because he's bleeding. Look,
Alright.
the small one.
You wanna grab this one? You said you're gonna grab him.
Grab it. Grab a tiny one.
You wanna grab this one?
You got it? Oh, you got it.
You gotta throw him back.
We're gonna say she's the one that got it,
Go.
right?
Go. Throw it in there.
Not all the way. Just gently.
Just throw it in. Just throw it in there. Throw it in there. He left? Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a... What is that? That's a crappie, bro. He's gonna come off. That's a crappie.
Good one.
Daddy, your hands.
Oh shit. Come on. That's okay. Look at him.
I've never seen a crappie.
Yeah, it's a crappie.
I'm
You're like,
scared.
I got one. You should have let her do it, bro.
Dude, she did.
Yeah?
Pero he got stuck over there.
Where'd you cast it at?
Huh?
Where'd you cast it at?
They're probably out deep right now still. Because there's a lot of feeder fish and they would have been feeding on these already. Probably still sleeping. All right, we're on. Let's go. Yes. I was. We saw.
That's a good one. I don't know. He went somewhere far.
Freaking soul. See, he's all the way over there. That's a good one. It's like a pound. You wanna touch it?
Touch it.
I know, bro.
So my loon's over there somewhere. And they're gonna find thing.
Have you climbed trees before?
No!
You look like a monkey.
No load left behind.
Where's that?
Dude, what are you doing way up there? Zamek, that thing is way up there, bro.
Where?
Where is it at?
I see it.
Where?
Right there.
Where? Oh, it's right there.
Ah, I'm scared. You know? Oh.
You gotta step on that small branch. Oh. On the,
Oh fuck!
on the small branch, the small.
Where's that?
That small branch right there.
Gone, dude.
No, it's right there.
It's right there.
I can't get to it.
That small branch right there. Impossible, bro. Damn, I lost your clippers. Oh, look pretty anymore.
Okay. I'm
So
not
what
gonna
happens
lose
then?
that.
What
So my
Show him,
Yeah,
show him,
babe.
show him, show him, show him.
tire, gasping it. This guy, for some reason, pond is huge, very huge, and I decided to launch it in a damn tree. But I got it back. Whatever it took, but I got it back.
You could have just gone and bought a new one.
Can't leave it behind.
It's like 12 bucks.
Ah. Ah.
Bro, saw. I broke off. I had.
Nah, you can throw it like that. Got one. Yep. Tell her, come here. Tell her, come here. Tell her, come here. Tell her, come here. I got one. Here, reel it in.
Reel it in, reel it in.
I'll hold the stick. Go.
Go, go.
Go. We're gonna. Looks like I got 1 pound.
Go, 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 go.
Keep going, keep going.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Don't be scared. It's a big one.
Oh, he's gone.
No, he's there, he's there, he's there. It's,
Get in there, bro.
he's right there, he's right there. We got one. Oh my god. It. Like this, look. Go like that. Come on.
Put your GoPro a little more up. Can you see it like clear?
Yeah. Oh wow, dude.
Dude, on the drop shot.
I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
Right?
You didn't seem like.
You didn't really struggle.
I felt like a 1 pounder. Dude. On the drop shot, bro. Out of everything else, this is the first like a 4.5.
Daddy, can you
My
let it
GoPro battery just died out.
Yeah, baby.
You got it all though, right, John?
4 pounds.
4.
Exactly 4 pounds.
The battery had just died.
You wanna hold him? Hold him from the
There
mouth.
was some water though. Yeah,
Oh, get some water.
You got him? Yeah, my GoPro battery. Damn, that's a big one, bro.
Dude, this was.
Big. David, get in there.
Dude, I threw right in the middle. I was like, man, whatever. Throw there, see what happens.
Oh, there's big bass in here, bro.
There's big bass in
There's
here.
big
Let me
ones,
take a
dude.
Keep it like, you know.
Solid 4 pounder. I didn't get it on the GoPro, but
Julie, come.
No, the way you had it was good like this.
get this release. This big girl. Oh.
What a monster.
Yeah, he has it.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Oh my god. That was like a 2-pounder. Lickety splickety. Lickety splickety. Got him. Yep. Oh, it's a nice one.
Let's go.
Oh, he's in there.
What did you say?
Gotta get in there, bro.
Hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this.
Gotta get in there.
Hold this. I'm getting in. Come here, bitch.
Let's go. Let's go, daddy. Gotta get in there.
Hold it. I'm getting in.
Yeah. Is it a big? Just don't go all the way in.
Let's go.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, I see you stripping on that pole.
You guys weren't even recording, huh?
What do you
Oh, yeah, you
mean?
You had a battery.
That's a 2-pounder.
Yes, nice.
Damn, that means I'm not the one that got skunked.
That's a nice catch.
Yeah.
Oh, you're screwed.
Lickety splickety.
Let me see the inside. Does he have a fish or something?
Yes, grass. Grass. All the bass hide in the grass.
You too little?
That's just great.
That's your tongue?
We don't need a picture of this though. It's the catch for the day. Pick it up though.
Because she saw the goo.
Let's get this bass. 2-pounder.
Next time.
2-pounder.
Next time. I guess that one because it was little, huh?
Let's get that release. Hopefully I get the release. One more time. One more time.